Hello everyone, this is English Valda and I welcome to you on this platform. Today I am going to tell you the basic difference between in or at in respect of place. If we are using in, then it is used with big place, whereas at is used with a small place. Just go with some examples. If I talk about Mithanpura is a small place, then we will use I live at Mithanpura. I live at Pakki Sarai. I live at Zero Mile. So these places are small, and with that small places we will use only at. But if we talk about in, then in is used with big places. I live in India. I live in Patna. I live in Bihar. This is, I think, big place, and this is used here. So this is the basic difference between in and at. So I request you that don't be confused and don't use that. I'm giving you one more example that if we are comparing Muzaffarpur with Bihar, then we can use I live at Muzaffarpur in Bihar, because we are comparing Muzaffarpur with Bihar. So Bihar is a big place, whereas Muzaffarpur is a small place. So it is quite clear that whenever you are going to use in or at, then you have to clear that in is used with a big place and at is used with a small place. I will tell you in next video with next thing. Thank you. See you.